Welcome, in front of me say Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb mode toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. So once you find it, you can hold it to quickly access the settings where you'll have the option to customize it. So we can start off by just going over the options here very quickly. Now if you're interested in them, you can just stay longer and figure them out further and yourself. But going quickly over it, for how long, this determines when you tap on a toggle what will happen. Then we have sleep. Now this is just obviously a schedule, so you can set it up so it starts and stops automatically at a given day of the week and time. Then I have exceptions for calls and messages, meaning that you can choose who can call you or message you, plus the repeated caller option. So if someone calls you twice, it will bypass the call option, whatever you have set it to be here. Then we have also what kind of apps can give notifications, and alarms and sounds, how they go through overall. And lastly, we have notifications, so how the notifications themselves will appear during this mode. So once you set it all up, you can simply leave this section right here. And when you want to turn it on manually, you can simply find the toggle, tap on it quickly, there we go, to turn it on, and there you go, you're all set. But if you want with the schedule mode, just make sure that the schedule is turned on and you don't actually have to do anything here. It will turn on and off automatically on its own. And once you want to turn it off, your Do Not Disturb mode, either if it was turned on by you or by the schedule, you can simply click on it to turn it off like so. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.